Imagine in a universe where the boundaries of the mind hold the key to humanity's salvation. A daring crew embarks on a journey to a distant planet, seeking the elusive application of quantum physics to solve the world's most pressing problems. Welcome to the Transformed Minds channel, where I'll be your guide through one of the most impactful journeys of your life. On an alien world of iridescent flora and exotic landscapes, they discover secrets of a civilization advanced beyond imagination, wielding the power to heal all of humanity's ailments. Armed with the knowledge to revolutionize medicine, they set course for Earth, carrying hope for a new era of healing. But in the vastness of space, darkness looms, threatening their mission and the future of humanity itself. An unknown enemy emerges, determined to prevent the dawn of a new age. Now, with the fate of mankind hanging in the balance, they must summon the strength to overcome the barriers, to protect the knowledge that could change everything. In a battle between progress and destruction, the greatest journey is the one within, to unlock the power of the mind and transcend all boundaries. Quantum Odyssey, Beyond Boundaries. Join our incredible community of transformational seekers as we unravel the profound impact of daily commitment on mindset transformation. Subscribe to this channel for more content on transformational living and click the bell icon to be the first to know when I post new content on this channel. Prepare for an epic showdown in the depths of space.